If you have questions about this microwave or you're just hesitating on clicking to buy, let me show it to you so you know exactly what you're getting. This is a built-in Frigidaire microwave with a clean stainless steel finish, so it gives your kitchen that more seamless built-in look instead of a bulky countertop appliance. This is 24 inches wide, so it means you can easily fit larger plates, bowls, or casserole dishes inside. It also has 100 watts of power, so it heats quickly and evenly. One feature I like is the sensor cook option. It automatically adjusts the cooking time for things like popcorn or leftovers, which takes some of the guesswork out of it. So overall, if you're looking for a spacious built-in microwave that looks modern and handles everyday heating really well, this one is definitely worth considering.